Welcome to part 4 of Intro to Web Design with Bootstrap. Let's talk about the basic table with Bootstrap. We can actually go to the Bootstrap documentation and see an exact example what this is going to look like. And we can quickly look at the anatomy, but this is all pre-made, and the things that you're going to change are like number, first, last, handle, and the input. But don't worry about the actual code that's being written. That's by Bootstrap, and you want to stick to that. All HTML tables are defined with this table tag. This creates our table element. Each row is going to be defined with the TR tag, and the table header is defined with the TH tag. And that's going to be inside of this thread. So we create our table, we open up a thread, we define a table row, and we define our table headers, and then we close those and close our thread. Next, we create the table body, TB. And this is where we put our information pertaining to each individual header that we made. Then if we want something that's a little bit more than just basic, we can make a striped table. And to just get this effect, what this looks like, all you have to do is add table-striped to the class name. But remember, keep the original table name as well. And this can only add color to things that are in the body. Next, let's look at something called a bordered table. This has defined borders on all sides of all table and cells. To apply this, it's the same thing as table striped, except just write table-boarded. And here you can see where their third input has a different row span than everything else. They accounted for that in their code. We also could use hoverable tables, and that just simply allows the rows to get highlighted as you hover over them on the page. And you can just enable that by adding table-hover to the class name of the table. Bootstrap also offers responsive tables, which allows you to scroll from left to right through the table. And this means that now you can fit really big tables on really small screens. And Bootstrap even lets us know exactly how they do it. They leave us a note where they let us know that they just set overflow Y to hidden. This doesn't allow content to go beyond the bottom or the top edges of the table. However, when this is enabled, it can clip off the bottom of other things that you have going on your page, so it's something that you want to do with caution. And that's it for part 4A. I will see you in part 4B where we talk about forms.